You probably tried searching for price before, but no one gives you a straight answer about how much a luxury kitchen costs. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real luxury appliance package line by line. Not just the range and refrigerator, but this specialty appliances, installation, delivery as well. So you could build a real budget and see if it works for your kitchen. Yeah, we've helped thousands of New Englanders through the same exact process. So here's what you need to know. Let's start with the biggest number of your range. In a luxury kitchen, that usually means a 36 or 40-inch professional. Let's use a 48-inch range for pricing. It could be Monogram, Thermal, Wolf, Blue Star. Prices start at around $11,000. That gives you a Pro Gas 48-inch range. Dual fuel will cost up to $8,000 more. And if you move up to all induction or custom finishes like a Blue Star and a custom color with brass trim, price climbs to about $24,000. So that's your price range, $11,000, $24,000. Figure 7 to 14 for a 36-inch Pro. You can also buy wall ovens and range tops. The prices are similar or a bit higher depending on the options. We'll get into some options later in the video. Next is ventilation. With a high output range, you can't skip it or undersize it. Proper hood for a 48-inch range needs to be 12 to 1500 CFM. That's the power it takes to pull out heat, grease, and smoke. That level, expect to spend $2,000 to $4,000 for a good hood. That holds across most brands, although you can spend $10,000 for a designer Blue Star or AGA. If the hood is too small or too weak, you'll know it for the first time you cook. Refrigeration is the other big number. Again, the sizing is 36, 42, or 48-inch as the most popular. I'll price the 48-inch so you can budget. Prices start around $15,000 for a 48-inch Monogram built-in refrigerator. Thermal and integrated look will cost about $17,000. And the more pro-looking Sub-Zero in a 48 will be around $20,000. Move into a designer brand, say a True with custom colors and custom hardware, and you're at $25,000. So you're putting a 48-inch range built-in, figure $15,000 to $25,000. Another option is separate refrigerator and freezer columns, like a 30-inch fridge and an 18-inch freezer. Each column runs around $9,000 to $10,000 for budgeting. And panel ready doesn't mean cheaper. It just means it takes a cabinet front. That style comes with its own installation complexity, especially panel alignment. We'll get into the install later because it's another real number to include. You don't need to overspend on a dishwasher. Even top-tier dishwashers, say from Bosch, Miele, even Cove, range from $1,500 to $3,000. The range hood, dishwasher, and refrigerator are the cornerstones of a luxury kitchen. Let's look at the rest. You pick and choose what's right for you. We'll total all this at the end of the video, so you don't have to keep track. Steam adds moisture while you cook, great for texture, especially for reheating. Best brands are Miele, Wolf, and Gaggenau. Budget $6,000 to $10,000. A speed oven is a microwave or convection oven or a combination of both. You cook normally or use both together for faster cooking without the rubbery microwave results. Budget $4,000 to $6,000. Wine storage comes in a number of configurations. A built-in 18-inch column from Sub-Zero, Thermal, or Gaggenau runs $10,000 to $12,000. If you're looking for under-counter wine refrigeration, budget $2,000 to $7,000. If you want a fresh ground coffee, brands like Miele, Wolf, and Gaggenau can deliver, budget $5,000 to $7,000. All of these are optional, but if you're building a full luxury kitchen, you may want one or more. Now, rebates vary by brands, and they depend on what you buy. Thermal has the 1-2 free program. Buy a range with wall ovens and a cooktop, you get a free dishwasher. Buy a refrigerator, and you get a free hood. Monogram offers package rebates that add up to around $4,500, while Sub-Zero, Wolf offer qualifying rebates of about $1,000. So depending on the brand and how you build a package, rebates can save you anywhere from $1,000 to $4,500. Now for a few aspects of buying appliances you never consider but should before you buy. You might think a gas range is the hardest appliance to install, but it's not. Most difficult is a panel-ready refrigerator. You can install them often. Lining up these panels can take half a day, even for an experienced installer. It's 2 to 4 hours of careful work. For budgeting, plan $3,000 to $5,000 just for appliance installation on a whole kitchen. Delivery is another real number to include. For full suite, it usually ranges from $199 to $600, depending on the company. What matters more, the price, is the execution. Floors, cabinets, and doorways need to be protected. These are big, heavy appliances, and mistakes are expensive. Always look at reviews to see your best store options. That's the full package, but you may not need all of it. Do you need a 48-inch range, or would a 36 make more sense? Do you need a full 48-inch refrigerator, or would you go with a 42 or 36? Or what accessories? Buying some or all, figure budget anywhere from $45,000 to $90,000. The range is just a starting point. It could come down with smaller appliances, or it could increase with an ultra-premium brand like a La Cornue or True. The real answer depends on what you want for your kitchen. If you need help building the right package for your space and budget, schedule a free personalized appointment at any of our 6 stores. 1 hour with an experienced salesperson is better than 20 hours you're going to spend online. If you want to see another video like this, click this link, and thanks for watching.